Welcome to the weekly recap of English news from Italy and Friuli Venezia Giulia. Friuli Venezia Giulia and Ukraine's Odesa region forged partnership to support Ukraine's reconstruction.
Friuli Venezia Giulia has signed a cooperation agreement with Ukraine's Odesa region during the Ukrainian Recovery Conference in Rome. The goal is to build lasting ties across sectors like trade, science, and culture, supporting Ukraine's reconstruction while strengthening connections between the two regions, Italy and Europe.
Inizieremo penso da subito progetti concreti e mi auguro che questo possa dare e contribuire con quel sassolino che mette il Friuli Venezia Giulia finalmente a stabilizzare una situazione che è oggettivamente ormai insostenibile.
The University of Trieste and the CRTrieste Foundation presented the progress of restoration work at Villa Sevastopulo.
The project aims to preserve the villa's historic character while preparing it for future academic and cultural use.
Today for me is a great day because we present the renovation of this beautiful castle in which about 40 years ago I attended my pharmacology examination during my study, university study. With the fundamental help by Fondazione Cassa Risparmio Trieste, we will be able to have again the beautiful castle.
Italy relaxes ID checks for domestic and Schengen flights, allowing boarding with just a pass.
Passengers travelling within Italy or the Schengen area can now board with just their boarding pass. No need to show their ID at the gate. Italy's Civil Aviation Authority says the move will improve boarding times without compromising security.
A seasonal maritime connection between Trieste and Grado resumed on Thursday morning.
A seasonal ferry between Trieste and Grado is back in service. The route runs from Tuesday to Sunday until October 12th, offering a scenic and sustainable way to travel along the Adriatic coast.
Andiamo spesso a Grado, andata e ritorno con la bicicletta. Allora, visto che c'è un'alternativa con il battello, preferiamo farci un giretto col battello e al ritorno ritorniamo in bicicletta da Grado a Trieste.
Ieri sera ero a vedere uno spettacolo a San Giusto, sono venuta con la macchina con amici e adesso torno a Grado con la nave.
I thought it'd be a good way to enjoy the view and enjoy the Grado Laguna and this part of the Trieste coastline.
Il treno sarebbe scomodo, l'autobus è sempre quello, mentre la barca è un giorno di ferie.
A firefighter in Trieste dove into the sea to save a hearing device for Giulia, a sick girl from Gaza, ending with a high five and cheers at sunset.
In Trieste, during a sunset at Mola Audace, Giulia, a young girl from Gaza with a serious illness, lost her hearing device in the sea. Her mother called Vigili del Fuoco and one firefighter dove in, found it and returned it to cheers and a high five from Giulia.
Abbiamo recuperato un apparecchio acustico della bambina, molto costoso. Per fortuna è stato recuperato subito e l'apparecchio funziona e quindi si è risolto tutto in maniera felice.
We just want to take the girls here some travel around the sea and I buy ice cream for her. She eats, she play with the water. Then I lost the cochlear implant. We lost. And I was worried because it's very expensive and it helped her to listen and to hear. So then I asked Federica to help me to, if we found a person, if he can go down and search. And thanks for them. I will be grateful for them all my life really because it's very important for her. And thanks for you also.
Many visitors have chosen Friuli Venezia Giulia this July weekend.
We've been to Borcola, we've rented a scooter and we went around. We also went to up the hill to the San Giusto, yeah.
How are you enjoying it?
Yeah, it's very nice. Beautiful place. Yeah. So
where are you coming from?
From Amsterdam.
We were just visiting. In the afternoon we are going to visit the Svevo Museum.
We're actually going home tomorrow.
Oh, where are you going?
Ireland.
Have you enjoyed your stay?
Yeah, I loved it. It's been great.
Where are you going?
Austria, back home.
How long have you been here for?
I've been here just one day for holiday.
Just one day?
Yes, exactly.
Is that enough?
Not really, but no more time left for this.
Thank you for watching in Trieste Web TV. We speak your language.